How to effortlessly master English in 3 months. Imagine speaking English with confidence in just 3 months, effortlessly. Yes, it's possible. Today we're going to unlock the secrets to making that happen. No stress, no struggle, just a smooth and enjoyable journey. Month 1. Build your foundation. This is where your journey begins. Start small but be consistent. Dedicate just 15 minutes a day to your English practice. During this time, immerse yourself in the sounds of English. Listen to podcasts, watch short videos with subtitles, or follow along with simple English dialogues. These 15 minutes are your golden time. Focus on understanding how the language flows, the rhythm of the sentences, and the pronunciation of words. Let English gradually become a part of your daily routine, like a friendly voice you hear every day. Month 2. It's time to start speaking. This is where you turn your passive learning into active practice. Begin with simple sentences. Introduce yourself, talk about your day, or describe something you see. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're a natural part of learning. Find a language partner or use language exchange apps to connect with others. Even just 5 minutes of speaking a day can make a huge difference. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to build your confidence. Each time you successfully communicate in English, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. Month 3. Immerse yourself fully in the language. This is where the magic happens. Surround yourself with English. Watch movies, read articles, and engage in conversations as often as you can. Challenge yourself with new vocabulary, explore different topics, and try to think in English throughout the day. By immersing yourself, you start to see the language in action in real-life contexts. You'll find that English becomes less of a foreign language and more like a second nature. You'll start to understand jokes, cultural references, and idioms that seemed confusing before. In just 3 months, you've gone from a hesitant learner to someone who can navigate English conversations with ease. You've built a solid foundation, practiced speaking regularly, and immersed yourself in the language, effortlessly. The key to your success? Consistency and a positive mindset. Remember, the journey of learning a language is just as important as the destination. Trust in your progress and continue taking those small steps every day. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Soon, English will no longer be a challenge. It will be a skill that you own.